In front of me is Nokia C31, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply iOS launcher on this device. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Now type in iOS launcher. After that, you need to install this free app from this developer, Launcher iOS 16. Then open it. Choose while using the app and allow in the pop-ups. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and tap on Home button. Then go into Settings right away. In them you need to tap on Apps. Click on Default Apps and manage Home app. To apply iOS Launcher, click on it over here and choose Got It in the pop-up. As you can see, after that, my Nokia has iPhone layout. If you wish to switch between your layouts, you can always access exactly the same settings and tap on Quick Step or iOS Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!